Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can fix all Infinix iOS or Android operating system that you have. If you encounter this boot loop issue, you can easily fix it. So all you have to do now, uh, you can turn off your device completely, and after that you can press and hold the power volume the volume down buttons until a load screen appears. Use the volume buttons to go down in the list and select recovery mode, and you can press the power button. So what I mean load screen appear is like this. This is Android recovery of Samsung. So but all Android recovery will be like this. So you can try to use the volume buttons to go down and go up of the list and select recovery mode. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the next button below. See you in the next video.